Hi, this is Nirmal. Okay. Okay, let's see what happened today. Okay, what will happen tomorrow. Okay, like that. So, yesterday also mentioned index market buy dips. Okay, today did well market. Okay, so if you see the Nifty high was today 10,393. Okay, like that. Okay, so again it came down to 10,277 levels. Okay. The morning low it touched again 10,277. The morning high that was the high. Yeah, that was the high. Uh, Market somewhat facing the resistance like that touch previous 10,300 to 350 levels, okay, but somewhat it was sustained. The main reason was today came down because of the Reliance. Okay, Reliance from 1800 it came down to 1741. Okay, so as per Reliance, don't chase Reliance share now. Okay, all the things factored. Okay, now this is not a good time for Reliance buying. Okay, let's leave the Reliance. If we come, let's see what's the Nifty levels. Okay, but I have somewhat managed Nifty. Okay, close near at the resistance level. Okay. Now is a possibility of it go up 10,450 near 500 levels. Okay. Remain market in buy and dips only. Okay. So market will go up in near term. Okay, another 100 150 points like that only. Today the major thing was Bank Nifty futures. Okay. Yesterday itself I told above that 21,500. Okay, 21,500. It will go up above 1,000 points. Okay, once crosses with good volume now. In Telegram also I told like that. Okay. So many option calls also are given, future calls also are given. Okay, that went well. At least if you bought at this level 21,800 also, it went up to 22,120 levels. Okay, so as of now, Bank Nifty support is the previous resistance. It's now is a support 21,300 to 500 levels. It's now support range. So the within that support, it will go up further highs. Okay. So any dips, market index or Bank Nifty go on buy like that. Okay. The one reason for Bank Nifty also came down is the HDFC Bank is facing somewhat resistance near in this 1040 to 50 levels or 60 levels. Okay. This level is some resistance for the HDFC Bank. Today, HDFC twins are underperformance, but Reliance also underperformed, but market somewhat withstand with gains. Reason for the Bajaj twins. Okay. And the only worrisome is HDFC twins are underperforming. That's my only worry. Okay, but in the time also market is outperforming. Okay, so sometime again buying is possible in HDFC twins. Okay, at support levels. Okay, so that time market will touch highs. Okay, so until that market buy and dips only these cases. Okay. So I already told about I had to review some chart. Okay. I already told that the HPCL 2232228 is somewhat resistance is facing. I already told that level. Okay. So what happened today? Okay, this is higher 228, close to 227. Okay, it's unable to cross the 228 levels. So it happened twice, thrice like that. Okay, but today what happened? It went up. Okay, the volume grown up. The volume is good at the resistance level. Now it's making some support. From that, in Telegram also I posted by around 230, 238, 245 like that. Okay, it went up to 241 also. Okay, so note down my share level. Okay, once we got buy and make money. Okay, so it went up to 41 also. The further rise I am expecting on this in petrol oils. And another thing, I want to share something under Hindustan Unilever is Sunday. It's making some supports around 2070 levels. Okay, it's all the time. I'm always telling big candle high lows or reference levels. Okay, 2133 high, 2071 low. Low 2065, close 2106, close 2080. Okay, close 2075. Okay, close 2070. Okay, so this highs, this high and low making some reference level for the buying and selling. Okay, now also we can go on buy with the stop loss of closing basis 2070 levels or at least 2130, 2140 levels for the Hindustan Unilever. Okay, already the resistance level for it is 2030 to 40. Okay, 2030 to 40, it's making some resistance that broken. Okay, again it's taking support at the higher ranges. Okay, here 2071 is low. Okay, so that didn't broken until now. So make that 2070 as a support, go for higher targets. And the another thing I want to tell, I want to say about Z Entertainments. Okay, the same thing. Okay, big candle high low is a reference. 163 low. Okay, this low was 130, that didn't broken in this area. Okay, high was 155. Okay, so this 130 level didn't broken this area. After that, forming support at higher levels. At a higher level, it making support at 163 levels. Okay, so this 163 didn't break in this area. So with the support of this 163 with the stop loss of 160 on closing basis, you can go and buy for at least 185, 195 like the targets. Okay, so keep on note this 160 to 160 level making support and go and buy for as a Z levels. Okay, so remain markets, it's remain buy on dips only. Okay, market is Nifty is another 100, 150 points is possible. Bank Nifty also same, the previous resistance is now was supports 21,300 to 500 is a supporting for the market. Okay, yesterday also I shared something about this BML is making resistance around 650 levels. Okay, so what happened today? So I told below 650 sell, above 650 go and buy like that. Okay, so what happened now today? The above 650 at the 650 level formed a good volume with a good candle, go on gone higher high on 661 level. This low is 651, went up to 668, 670 levels also. Okay, so with the pure technical, above 650 is a pure buy. Okay, this results also awaited, but pure the technical level is above 650 is a good buy. If you buy is today above 650 levels, now at least you got at least 15 points in BEML. Okay, so these are all the things about today. Okay, Z and the BEML, okay, and that use on river. This all the levels keep in mind. Okay, so index I already told. Okay, what are the things, what are the levels or note down. Okay, so keep subscribe my channel. Okay, follow on my website for further updates. Okay, bye.